So hello guys, my name is Utkarsh and you are watching Company 360. In this video we will see what is trademark assignment deed. So let us start. Trademark assignment agreement. A trademark assignment deed is a written document which helps to transfer a recognized word, phrase, symbol or a design from the original owner to the another owner. The original owner of the license is known as the assigner and the future owner is known as the assignee. In simple language, we can say that it's the transfer of ownership with or without the goodwill of business. Assigning of trademark can be done through a trademark assignment agreement and it will be registered as per the Trademark Act 1999. One of the most important element of this agreement is that there must be an intention on the part of the owner of the trademark for transferring ownership. The concept of trademark licensing allows others to use the mark without the assignment of ownership. The Trademark Act does not talk about the license, rather it is mentioned under registered user. It is beneficial to both the parties. The licensor enjoys the right of the mark through royalties and the licensee gets the power to expand its market operations using the brand name. It can be proved by oral evidence, so we always prefer oral assignment. Assigner hereby conveys his all the rights and interest of whatever kind in and to the trademark together with the following things: the goodwill of the business relating to the product service in respect upon which the trademarks are used and for which they are registered, all income, royalties and damages hereafter due or payable to assigner with respect to the trademarks, including but without limitation damages and payments for past or future infringements and misappropriation of the trademark, all rights to sue for past, present and future infringements or misappropriations of the trademark. The assigner confirms that no dispute in respect of the trademark is pending in any of the court of law. The assigner and assignee confirm that there is remittance of funds in or outside India in connection with this assignment. The assigner on the request of assignee conveys that it will execute all the documents, papers, forms and authorization that may be securing, completing or vesting in assignee's full right, title and interest in the trademark. The trademark assignment is the most crucial step which opens a great opportunities for the growth of the business. Although it is not mandatory, one should always get a trademark assignment agreement as this allows the parties to exercise the rights over any third parties. So that is it for this video guys. I hope you have understood what is trademark assignment deed. In case you have any feedback or you want any consultation from us, you can definitely get to us on our email ID and our contact number. Our counselors would be happy to help. Thank you for watching the video. This is Utkarsh signing off.